Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Ingrid here from Ingridjoyaromas. If you never subscribed to this channel, please try to do that so that when I have new videos, you will see them first, and also I'll appreciate it very much. I want to say thanks again to my new subscribers. Today I want to show you a project which I was making today, so I just decided to make um, just a video for you guys to see. I got some new bottles here from the dollar store. Actually, this is from the Dollar Tree. So the Dollar Tree here in Canada is there's nothing in there for $1, guys. These bottles now, they used to be for $1.50 usually buy these for, but now it's not anymore. So they're for $2 now. So the two of these bottles are for $2. So I have a refreshing linen spray to show you so you can actually make this and you don't have to really go out and buy it. So all I'm doing right now is just putting my drops in this bottle, and then what you're going to be doing is just top it off with some water, and that's it, guys. That's it. Also, if you need to get any other recipe, how to make a linen spray, I have some more videos up. You can try and check out those ones as well, because those linen sprays are really good. They're good for spraying your sheets, your pillows, your clothes in the closet. If you have a place that you probably smoke, which I don't, you can use this as well in that area. Or actually, I use this to freshen up my shoes sometime. Sometime you go out, and especially it's summertime and you go for a long walk, and when you come back, you just feel like your foot is sweating. You can actually use these linen spray and refreshen your shoes, your sneakers that is, and use it wherever you want to go, and at the same time you get to save money, guys. So go check out the other videos. I put up a few videos on diffuser oil and how to make your own diffuser oil, so I hope you're checking out those as well and how to make it. And here you go. It's done in I'll say 4 minutes. Yeah, it's finished in 4 minutes. And I mean, if you needed to make it a little stronger, you can go ahead and put more drops in there. If you think this recipe is a little bit too strong for you, then go ahead and reduce the recipe or the oils in this, or you can even add more water. This is actually a 3-ounce bottle that I'm using, and so if this is the recipe is too strong for you, go ahead and use a 4-ounce bottle then. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks again for subscribing and to watch these videos, and stay tuned for the other video that's coming along. Bye for now.